Hi friends, Hattie here from Honeybee Stampers. I'm hopping on for kind of a show and tell today. I am preparing to head out to Las Vegas for a Stampin' Up! Event called Backstage. It is a leadership event for those of us who are holding the title of Silver Elite and above. So it's a really amazing event to be able to qualify to attend. And so I've got several team members of mine who've actually done just that. They've qualified for this event. They will be joining me out in Las Vegas. And when you watch this video here, I will have gone to Las Vegas and come back by the time I post and upload this video. So this isn't gonna ruin the surprise for them. But because these team members have worked so hard to earn a spot for this trip, I wanted to reward them with a little gift. I always love to give my team members little gifts, or what I like to call Circes, which is a small and unexpected gift. It is a term that I learned that they use down here in the South, and I live in South Carolina right now. So I use this term all the time, especially since that's exactly what we do with Stampin' Up! Products. So what you see here in front of you are the little gift packaging that I have put together for my team members. I love buying these gifts for my team. Sometimes I'll make something, sometimes I'll actually find something really cute, and what I have in these boxes are so stinking cute. I can't wait to show you. But this was a great opportunity for me to not just show off the gift, but to show you the products that I use for the packaging. So this is brand new Stampin' Up! Product that's coming from the Holiday Mini catalog. I still call it Holiday Mini, even though they've switched it to just Mini catalog, and then they say September to December 2023. Anyways, you'll always hear me referring to it as a Holiday Mini. So in this catalog, and I will open this up now because when I actually post this video, it will be this product will be live for everyone to be able to purchase, and so I want you to see where you can find it. Now on page 52 and 53 of this catalog, we've got this awesome suite of products. It's called the Garden Walk Suite Collection. And so you can see all these great samples here. And then I wanted to kind of show off what is included in this. I did an unboxing recently, and I did already upload that to my YouTube channel, where I walk through some of the products that I had already purchased from the pre-order. As a demonstrator, you get to pre-order early. And so this was part of it, but I'm just gonna go over it again today since this is what I used on these projects. So it comes with this stamp set. It's called Modern Garden. And it is it's really fun flowers, and then you can say poinsettias there, and then we've got some sentiments here that are kind of a wide range, with a Christmas sentiment being in there, which is so wild because does that look like Christmas colors to you? I mean, maybe you could get away with that, but they're very non-traditional Christmas. So it's a great Christmas sentiment, wishing you the warm blessings of Christmas. You could totally use that on, traditional Christmas cards that you have, or you could actually use this suite of products for it. So I love this. It's so pretty. And then there's designer series paper. Now this designer series paper, as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to design with it. It is so absolutely gorgeous. So here are some of the pieces here. I'll kind of fan them out for you. And of course it's double-sided. It does come in 6x6, and so you have to be really aware that the 6x6 is the size for this. I didn't cut it down or anything like that. You're gonna get several pieces of each 6x6, and then here's the back side. So you've got all those florals on one side, and then you've got kind of a more muted, some stripes and dots and stuff like that. Very great complementary designs on the back. And the great thing about this, and I love this part, is that you can see how it just really coordinates with that paper. So most of them are like this, not all of them, but like for instance this one, look at this. Obviously, I love this one. It's so unique and different with these colors here. That's a lot of wild wheat, and then they've got Poppy Parade in there, and Calypso Coral, and a Mossy Meadow. I mean, who would have thought those colors together would look so good? But they do. And then here's the other side. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, oh gosh, I need to make something with this piece. And then there is one more sheet that's missing from here because I used it on my swap cards. So, you always have to swap. Whenever you get together with other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators for a Stampin' Up! Sponsored event, or even just, it doesn't even have to be Stampin' Up! Sponsored, just a Stampin' Up! Event in general. you have to swap. Swapping is so much fun. That's where you create a bunch of cards and then you swap your cards with everybody else that's there. So I only have 30 cards to swap, or maybe 25 cards. Anyways, you swap with everyone else and then you come away with all these different ideas. And so I'll show you my swap card at the end. Let's go through some more of this product really quick. You also have these embellishments here, which are stunning. I like to kind of keep all my embellishments in our clear stamp cases. So you can buy these stamp cases. We sell them, and they're great for storing markers in here. You can store scraps in there. You can store your embellishments. What are some other things people do? Anyways, it's just a great like little storage container. So this is actually the same size as like what our stamp sets come in. So you see how that comes like that. And then you can also take and slide in some DSP or something cardstock or anything like that to kind of tell you what's in the box if you wanted to. But here are the embellishments that go with this suite, and they are called the Blooming Pearls, and they are so pretty. They've got this gold here. They've got pretty peacock. They've got a garden green and then a petal pink. And it's got quite a bit of a pearl sheen to it. And I grabbed some of the gold ones to add to these boxes here because I just thought it went really well. So added those there. Okay. And then the last thing, oh, no, not the last thing. We also have this new punch. So this is a new modern oval punch. And it is really cool. That coordinates with it. You can use it for all kinds of stuff, I'm sure. But that's what coordinates with that stamp set. So no dies with this one. And then they have this Calypso Coral Twine, or linen trim is what they're calling it. I love it. It ties beautifully. I added it here so you can see how it pulls some of that Calypso Coral out of the paper there. I used every inch of it that I had, and so I don't have that to show you, but you can see it on these boxes here, and you'll be able to see it on my swap card in just a minute. So there's that. I love this. So when you see a suite of products in the catalog, that lets you know that, you know, you'll have one price, and look at that price. It's actually rather inexpensive for a suite. It's $69.75, and that means you will get every single piece that you see over here. So you'll get the stamp set and the punch and the embellishments and the linen trim, and you'll get the designer series paper, and it is just awesome. Okay, so then you'll be able to create all these beautiful projects with it. And of course you can get this stuff a la carte. Now, if you know you want all of this, you just put in that one number and bada bing, bada boom, you got that whole suite. Now, if you just wanted the pearls, because I know I'll be ordering that, and I know I have to order more of that, and I know I'll be ordering more of that, you can put in the item numbers that you see here to be able to order those. So ordering for this is going to start happening in September for customers. Right now it's live for demonstrators. And also, you know, during a pre-order, if you are not a demonstrator, but you want to be one and you want to get a starter kit, you can order a starter kit from me, and you can always pick out stuff early out of these catalogs. So just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. All right, so now I want to show you my swap card really quick, and then we're going to dive into what's in here. So this is the swap card that I designed. So I just wanted to layer a couple of the stamps on top of each other. This is actually Calypso Coral, but I stamped off. And then I used that oval punch, and then I used this designer series paper. Now this paper right here is actually the back side of this. So I just wanted that extra little element there that it was extra DSP after I trimmed it down. And I was like, oh, I can't let this go to waste. So I flipped it over and I was like, this is perfect. And then I used some embossing with our 3D Basics embossing folders that are part of an online exclusive. They're a must. You will see me using these all the time. And this crosshatch one is my favorite. So there's that. And then I also did the little crosshatch right there. I just ran that through like a pretty peacock through the cross-hatching embossing folder. So it's not called cross-hatching, I just call it that. It's actually called Basics embossing folders, and you can find it on my online store. And then I punched it out with a circle punch. And so that's what I did there. So that's my swap card, and I can't wait when I come back. I'll share with you guys all of the swap cards that I received in return from all of these that were created. And then you've got the ribbon here down at the bottom. So I hope you guys love that. It is this paper is so pretty. Like, this whole suite is gorgeous. Okay, so now on to the fun thing. I'm going to show you guys what like I said, when you watch this video, I will have just come back. I will already have gifted my team members. I want them to know that I'm so proud of them for earning a spot for this event, and that I know how much hard work it was to be able to go. And so I'm really wanting them to know how much I appreciate them, and they're leaders on our team, the Beehive. And so this is my little gift to them. Okay, so this little craft box here, I almost was going to actually create one on my own, just make a little box out of some cardstock that I had, but then I realized I had this old box that is one of the packaging that we used to have. We carried it a couple catalogs ago, and now I wish I would have stocked up on it because it was like the perfect fit. But look, you just slide this belly band off, and look, you already get a little peek as to what they're getting. And then when they open it up, is that not stinking cute? And it's a perfect fit. So I saw these wristlets, and I'm Honeybee Stampers. That's my business name. And if you buy a starter kit from me and you join my team, then you belong to a team called the Beehive. And we are all over the world, honestly. We have team members all over the world. I'm so excited to say that. And we're just an awesome team. So hopefully you'll consider joining my team at one point. But I saw this, and I thought this wristlet is so perfect for the girls. So I just got each one of them this same exact little wristlet, and it fits perfectly in there. And then you can close this up. I really wish we still sold these boxes. And then you can slide the belly band right on. It's pretty easy. And there we go. So, and that's it. I love putting a belly band on things. I mean, it just dresses up. You know, the box itself is cute, but then once you do this, you put this little belly band on here and you stamp. So I did, you can see here, I did a little, it's got moved. Okay, so I stamped this in a different color just by using a masking technique, and then embellished it. And this is that paper that you saw, and I've got like a Mossy Meadow card stock, or is that garden green? It's one of the two. So there it is. I hope you guys like that. I cannot wait to give this to my team members and to surprise them with this. We usually try to meet up for a dinner one of the nights, and so when we do that, I will be gifting them with this gift. And so this event is awesome. It is an opportunity to connect with other demonstrators that are also running their business, their stamping hobby like a business, which I like to call a jobby. And it's awesome to learn from other people and to connect. And my husband and my son are actually going to be joining me, which is great. I love for them to come on trips with me, because even though I'm gone, you know, networking and learning from all the presenters and the other demonstrators that are presenting, and proud mama moment here, actually Stampin' Mama, one of my team members, Kimberly, is actually going to be a presenter at this event. So that's a huge, huge honor, and I can't wait to hear her presentation and cheer her on. So I love these kinds of events, and I'm excited to go. And I just wanted to share this with you. So there's my little Circe gift to them. There's my swap card, and I will see you guys when I get back from Las Vegas. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.